Hi, welcome to Spring, Texas. I would like to introduce our newest Chloe's family member, Mr. Brian Gillis, who is the owner and operator of this location.
Hey, Deidre, how are you today?
Awesome.
Good, good. Yeah, I'm super excited to be here. I grew up not 2 miles down the street here, so it's just awesome to be back in the community I grew up in. And went to high school, Klein Oak, right down the road here as well. So it's just nice to be part of a community where I grew up.
Absolutely. Great location.
Oh, I love this area. Yeah, it's grown quite a bit from when I was in high school, but I still have a lot of good friends out here, a lot of great connections. It's an awesome area, really good people. So I'm looking forward to it. It's an excellent opportunity for me to get back to doing what I love, which is auto repair.
You're like me. It's a way to give back.
Yeah. I think one of the biggest impacts being in the industry's had on my life is impacting other people's lives. And when I look back over my career and some of the things I've been able to do to move other people to where they are today, that means the world to me. I do some coaching as well with shop owners out there, and they're going, "Man, what are you thinking? What are you doing? You're opening up a shop. What's going on in your head?" And I'm like, you know what? I truly enjoy it. I absolutely love it. And so now I get to have another opportunity to make impacts on folks' lives, my customers, our staff, so I'm super excited about the opportunity.
That's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
And I should like to throw in there, at one time, I worked for Mr. Brian Gillis.
Hey, we all work together.
Yeah.
That's the cool part. Like all the core people at Chloe's, I've got great relationships with, and watching you guys grow started kind of giving me the itch too. But to be a part of y'all's group is very meaningful. I actually like every single person that I know that's in the organization. They're back in Atlanta, and so that's a big deal of who you team up with. And as we've done this undertaking to turn this, what you see now is not what it was. It was definitely a restoration plus some. The amount of support from the Chloe's organization has been incredible, unbelievable. And so that's second to none.
Well, I'm excited to see what comes.
Yeah, likewise. Yeah, very thankful and grateful for the opportunity.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.